Now, there's a huge difference between the millionaire morning routine versus the payaman morning routine. Because right now, we've been seeing a lot of millionaire morning routine trending in social media. Yes, that's our goal. Pero merong morning routine na walang kahit na anong relationship sa ikayayaman mo. Pwedeng maganda tingnan, maangas tingnan, pwede kang mag-trending sa social media. But the truth is, you don't need a morning routine na magandang tingnan para sa ibang tao. Kung gusto mong yumaman, kung gusto mong maging successful, the morning routine that you want is centralized on productivity. Yes, good day to you guys. Start your day with gratitude. I'm gonna share with you 3 steps to achieve your goals and dreams. Number 1, ganito kasi yan. If you really want to achieve your goals, diba? Kasi may goals ka. Nabanggit mo saan kanina, marami kang problema. Kung hindi mo bibilin yung produkto, ano yung nagiging cost nito sa buhay mo? Imagine mo, hindi mo masosolve yung mga problema mo. How much will it cost you? Will it cost you a lot of money, opportunity, the future that you want? Or maybe it will cost you your life.
Yes, good day to you and welcome to the Success Blueprint course. You are here to discover and understand how can you become successful in life. See you in the next video.
Hello sir, kamusta?
Yes, of course.
Di ba sabi mo kanina maganda yung products, right? And then nagustuhan mo rin yung business. So the bigger question is, how much is it costing you kung hindi mo itatry?
Answer. Future.
And to be honest with you, when I started doing my business, pagkagising ko sa umaga, hindi pa ako umiihi, hindi pa ako umiinom ng tubig. And minsan nga, hindi pa ako nagpe-pray, humahataw na ako. Nagtitake na ako ng action. Sinecheck ko na yung produkto ko. Nag-i-inventory na ako ng products. Nagbebenta na agad ako ng products. And then, saka pa lang ako iinom. Saka pa lang ako iihi. Because again, my focus is to become a millionaire. So kung hindi ka pa mayaman ngayon at gusto mong yumaman, gusto mong maging successful, the goal is to create a morning routine na magpapayaman sa'yo. Na connected, aligned sa future na gusto mo for yourself. Because maybe hindi mo pa afford yung millionaire morning routine. Na baka wala namang relationship sa business mo, sa ikayayaman mo, sa benta mo, yung ilulubog mo yung mukha mo sa sparkling water na may yelo. Baka walang relationship sa ikayayaman mo, yung tumakbo ng tumakbo. Yes, makakatulong ang exercise. Pero baka kailangan mo munang mag-focus sa negosyo mo. So it will be all up to you. But I wanna share with you how I personally did it. Kasi baka mamaya tinitingnan nyo yung morning routine namin at gusto nyong gayahin. Nothing wrong with that. Except, will you be productive? Like, really be productive kung gagayahin nyo kami? Magiging productive kaya yung maghapon mo kung umaga pa lang magbaboxing ka na, pagod ka na, maliligo ka sa yelo. Baka after mong mag-gym, wala ka ng energy. Baka naman tanghali ka nang bumabangon. So again, balikan natin, before when I start my day, I focus on the products, I focus on the business. Umagang-umaga pa lang nagbebenta na ako. Sobrang excited akong magbenta. Sobrang excited akong i-handle yung negosyo. Because I always say to myself that my business is my life. My career is part of who I am. So hindi ko kailangan pilitin yung sarili ko kasi binibuild ko yung identity na negosyante ako. I'm not a bodybuilder, I'm not a pogi model. I am focused on making money. Kasi nga, gusto kong yumaman. Ang hirap ng buhay namin, lubog kami sa utang. So it's not about looking good, ano yung magiging tingin ng ibang tao. It's all about making money, building a business, growing as a person. developing my skills, branding, selling, marketing, handling people, building relationships. Umiikot yung maghapon ko sa lahat ng activities na yan. So now I'm gonna share with you my personal payaman morning routine, something that you can do, especially kung nagsisimula ka pa lang. So pag mulat ng mata ko, hindi muna ako hahawak ng cellphone. Hahawakan mo lang yan pag ito turn off mo na yung alarm. Pagbangon na pagbangon, I'm gonna pray and I'm gonna meditate. But now this may vary because in reality, pwedeng pagkagising mo na iihi ka. So pwedeng after praying, umihi ka muna and then rehydrate and then saka ka mag-meditate. Guys, you can use your common sense here. So balik tayo. Prayer, meditation. Of course, hindi ko na isasama sa morning routine yung ihi. Choice nyo na yon kung kailan nyo yan gagawin. Hindi na ako dapat ang nagtuturo sa inyo yan. And then I'm gonna take my supplements and a lot of water. Now right after that, I'm gonna do some stretching and a form of exercise. I will not do a hard exercise because again, hindi ako nagpapalaki ng katawan, hindi ako nagpapapogi, nagpapayaman ako. So this will serve as a warm-up for me to start my day to win. So papawis lang ng konti. Pwedeng hard workout pero sobrang bilis lang. Pinaka-importante, may stretching. Ang goal natin dito, blood circulation. Para pag nag-take ka ng action, mataas ang energy level mo, at mas marami ka pang magagawa maghapon. Hindi yung pagod na pagod ka sa gym. Hindi yung pagod na pagod ka sa exercise. Hindi yung pagod na pagod ka sa workout na parang wala ka ng lakas sa business mo kasi binuhos mo na agad umpisa pa lang. Again, I'm sharing with you my own personal structure. Yung nagpayaman sa akin nung 19 ako. It will be up to you. If you can manage to go to the gym 2 hours, 3 hours, it's fine. It's all up to you. If you really wanna earn money, I will not spend 2 to 3 hours in the gym initially. Pag may pera na ako, pwede. Pero sa ngayon, ang goal natin, bago tumungtong ang tanghali, kumita ka na ng pera. Nabibuild mo na yung skills mo. Always remember that repetition is the mother of skill. And our goal here, our goal is to build skills. Skills na magpapayaman sa'yo. Hindi magpapalaki ng katawan mo, hindi magpapapogi sa'yo. Madaling magpapogi kapag may pera ka na. May kasabihan nga sila, puro dating, wala namang datong. Pero tandaan mo, kapag marami kang datong, kahit wala kang dating, magkakadating ka na rin. And you can always improve other aspects of your life if you have the money. So balik tayo. So what I would personally do, home workout. Tatakbo ka sa kalsada, sa parking, kung saan pwede. Magpo-push up ka kung saan pwede. Magwo-workout ka kung saan pwede. Hindi ko muna pipiliing pumunta sa gym because it will take time and a lot of effort. I wanna minimize the effort on exercise and I'm gonna use the exercise to keep the blood flowing. Centralized on productivity. After that, habang bumababa pa yung pawis, ligo na agad. And bago pa lang ako mag-breakfast, bago ako kumain, nagtatawag na ako. Nagbebenta na ako ng products. When I was 16, hindi pa uso ang internet, wala pang content creation. But I would strongly recommend kung gagawin nyo to ngayon, pwede ka na agad mag-create ng content. Bago ako mausap ng tao, bago ka magbenta ng produkto, meron ka ng presence sa social media. Nakapag-post ka na. So habang umaani siya ng views, likes, engagements, ikaw nagtitake ka na ng action. So pagtapos ka ng magbenta ng products, tapos ka ng kausapin yung mga kliyente mo, tapos ka ng mag-build ng relationship sa mga taong available ng morning, pwede mong i-check yung content mo at pwede ka ulit mag-create ng content. But look, yung payaman morning routine, part ng routine ang business. Pagbebenta, pagbibuild ng skills. A lot of you may seem to think, dapat ang morning routine, talagang routine lang. Ito problema. Perfection is the enemy of good enough. We are trying so hard to create a perfect morning routine. Ang totoo, kailangan mo lang bumangon, mag-pray ka, kahit nga huwag ka na mag-meditate, mag-pray ka na lang. And then mag-take ka na ng action. Nagkataon lang na ang generation ngayon, masyadong distracted, masyadong pabebe, kailangan nyo ng meditation. Pero tandaan nyo guys, natuto lang akong mag-meditate, mayaman na ako, may pera na ako. Natuto akong mag-meditate recently lang nung sobrang dami ko ng negosyo. Because I need to clear my mind. I need to clear my heart. Pero nung nagsisimula ako nung 16, uulitin ko, pagkagising ko sa umaga, nagtitake na ako ng action. May benta na agad ako umaga pa lang. Lalabas na agad ako ng bahay. Ang goal ko, mabentahan yung mga nana, yung mga tita, bago sila mamalengke. Bago pa lang tumungtong ang 9 a.m., may pangkain na ako maghapon. May panggalaw na ako maghapon. May pamasahe na ako. Meron na akong budget for table presentation. Meron na akong budget kapag may kakausapin ako sa labas at kailangan akong gumastos. Buhay na ako maghapon. And isisingit ko lang doon yung konting exercise sa ako maliligo ulit. At the end of the day, it's not about their morning routine. It's not about my morning routine. It's about what works for you. So I strongly recommend mag-try ka lang ng mag-try ng iba't ibang routine and make sure na yung gagawin mong morning routine connected sa goals mo, connected sa vision mo, aligned sa definition mo ng success. It's not about pleasing other people, it's not about looking good, it's about achieving your goals. So the question now is, what is your morning routine? Please comment, please share, and tingnan natin gaano ka-diverse ang morning routine. Para maintindihan mo at maintindihan ng lahat na kahit magkakaiba tayo ng routine, lahat tayo pwedeng yumaman. So yun lang guys, this is the end of the video, and always remember, all I want is for you to become more successful and for you to reach the next level success. Again, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon.